The 2023 Dodge Demon 170 has been going through a lot of controversy over the last few weeks. From me and the other YouTubers working hand in hand with Dodge to stop a Mac Cake 2.0 situation from happening, it just seems that the Demon 170 is just a gift that keeps on giving bad juju. I found myself in a very unique position on a particular subject of the whole 149 mile per hour controversy with the Demon 170, because on one hand I see some of the Brotherhood's concerns that, hey, this car was falsely advertised, and I see some other members of the Brotherhood saying that, well, you know, this is a drag car, who wants to go 200 miles per hour in his car? But what if I told you I actually asked Dodge about the situation, and so I have a pretty good idea of exactly what happened. And so I'm going to tell you guys in this video how I believe that a simple oversight is going to cost Dodge dearly. Before we get into today's video, I wanted to have a word with you guys about today's video sponsor, ExoMod. Now, if you legit want to make your Dodge Challenger, Hellcat, Red-Eye, or Superstock truly stand out, then there is no greater mod than an all-carbon fiber ExoMod card. ExoMod can convert your current Challenger, Hellcat equipped vehicle or provide you with a new one, and turn that vehicle into a modern carbon fiber looking 1968 Charger or 1969 Charger Daytona. They will convert a heavy Challenger boat into a lean, mean carbon fiber award-winning machine. ExoMod was even one of the finalists chosen for the 2023 Barrett-Jackson Cup for the top builds of the year. So if you truly want to turn heads with an award-winning limited build with no two cars alike, head on over to exomod.com and have them craft your modern original build. So my 30,834 friends and the 87% of you guys not yet subscribed, it has been a very busy few weeks since this whole controversy with the 149 mile per hour top speed for the Demon 170 has arrived. Now, I can see everyone's side with this particular situation. I can see the customer who want to take his car to Texas Mile. I can see his point of view. I can see the point of view of other customers who are basically drag race only, and why they don't feel as though 215 miles per hour is actually a big deal. And then I also see Dodge's point of view that they shared with me just last night. And I'm gonna play devil's advocate with all three groups because I'm kind of in the unique position to be on the side of all three people from all the work that I've done with basically all three people, with all three sides. So on the customer side, I can see his point of view because it was advertised on DodgeGarage.com the Demon 170 could do 215 miles per hour. Now, it is not outside the realm of possibility that this is actually possible, because I will remind people that 2018 Demons, basically unmodified with the race ECU from the Demon Crate, it can go do airport events going up to 211 miles per hour, as you will see in this video. It is not outside the realm of possibility that it is possible to do a Texas speed race or Texas mile, whatever, in a Demon 170. The 2018 Demon, it was for 5 years the ultimate drag strip monster. And now all of a sudden people forgot that particular fact, that it can do more things than it was originally built to do. Now I can understand the issue that the drag racing community is having, that, you know, who was going to do 215 miles per hour in a drag race specific vehicle. And then I can see Dodge side, but they don't necessarily look too clean, and honestly they should have better explained the actual capabilities of this car. I will say that on Dodge's side of this whole thing, some of their advertising does lead you to believe that this car is something that it is not. I do not have all the actual clippings from Dodge Garage website about where it was mentioned at 215 miles per hour. I know from other people telling me that Dodge has scrubbed all mention of this on their website, so I don't have any of this proof. Now, I know that Demon 170, the actual YouTube channel, the guy who actually brought all this to light. He has screenshots of this on DodgeGarage.com. And so I'm gonna have Dodge's answer to that shortly. But as I said, it was on DodgeGarage.com based on his screenshots that Dodge said that 215 miles per hour was actually capable in the Demon 170. Now, I do have a message from someone from within Dodge who told me that I could share this information about where these claims for 215 miles per hour came from. So it seems as though they did some of their own internal investigations, and they had found that a third-party article that was reposted on DodgeGarage.com, which they do oftentimes, a third-party article, like this first one, was from Motor Biscuit, and they claimed that the Demon 170 would do 215 miles per hour. Now, in the Motor Biscuit article, they claimed another website, Car HP, where they listed on there that the Demon 170 did 215 miles per hour. It seems as though this is a game of telephone where you keep telling someone a different story, and next thing you know, it's totally different. So Car HP said this, and then it seemed like Motor Biscuit said this, and now somehow someone put this article on DodgeGarage.com, don't know exactly who, and here we go with this whole controversy. Like I said earlier, I have no idea where on Dodge Garage website any mentions of 215 mile per hour came from. Now, if it was really just in this one particular article on the website, I mean, that's one thing. So, like I said, I don't know, and I'm pretty sure that those that are in the know, they will send me actual screenshots of all the locations where this was referenced. I still like the fact that this ended up on DodgeGarage.com, but according to Dodge, they never themselves said in any quotes that I can find or any videos I can find that the car will go 215 miles per hour. But I will say there are some promotional videos out there that kind of give you the perception that this car is faster when where it is. Because if you look at towards the end of the live stream, you'll see on there, Dodge had this little snippet right here where the Demon 170 is in fact the quickest, fastest, most powerful mass-produced car. But if you look at the little asterisk, it's talking about it's only based on horsepower, excluding EVs. So there's a little asterisk right there. And then you had the promotional video screaming 215 miles per hour that all of a sudden now does not say 215 miles per hour on it, because I've referenced this video in the past when I covered it, where you had the leprechaun jumping out of a plane. He's looking at his watch. It says 140 miles per hour on the watch, which is really the only clue that I can really think of that Dodge gave in terms of speed. The leprechaun gets mad and he accelerates. He hits a sonic boom, and next thing you know, the commercial ends. Now, I know it's pretty impossible that the car is going to reach sonic boom speeds, which definitely is impossible in a Demon, period. But it does open the interpretation that his car is going to basically accelerate way faster than 140 miles per hour. And this is where I think that this whole confusion about the top speed is out there, because there are way different numbers out there. You got 140 in this video, you got 215 in this video, and you got publications printing 215 because they probably guessed that the scream of 215 meant that was the actual top speed of the car. And so if you watch Racer X's video about the truth he got directly from Dodge, hey Kate, I got seen some information about a very juicy story with Demon 170. I'm gonna say that what they sent Racer X, I'm looking at it right here, is 100% correct. What is the solution that they did to this problem? Now, I'm gonna put my 2 cents into this. If I had to do this and I was in charge, well, not if I'm in charge, but if I was able to give Tim Knissis a bug in his ear about this, I would have told him that if these Mickey Thompson tires are causing the baddest Dodge car on the planet to have a 149 top speed limiter, that all the Scat Packs and Hellcats and Red Eyes can go blow by you and just laugh at you, that I would have basically made a Demon crate and put in that Demon crate either some Red Eye wheels and tires or some super stock wheels and tires and an unlocked race ECU. That way, that all the person got to do is when they go get the car and sign their waivers, you got one more additional waiver. Hey, this unlocked race ECU is meant for the wheels and tires in this new Demon box. It is on you if you decide to run this race ECU on these Mickey Thompson wheels and tires. Won't check the box, get your car, bam, solution done. And that's basically what I would have done in this situation if I had to find some way to get rid of 149 mile per hour top speed governor. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think this right here is something that is going to actually go to trial and Dodge actually gonna get sued for this? Do you guys believe Dodge's explanation of why there's a 215 mile per hour misnomer out there about the Demon 170? Do you guys think there should be a Demon crate, that we should have gotten regular 2018 wheels as standard for the car, or maybe 2018 wheels in a crate with an unlocked ECU and some Demon branded stuff to go along with that crazy decanter set? But just let me know what you guys think. Until the next time, I'm out.
Because we're Dodge, and that chute is more than a safety measure. It stands for something. Ironically, it stands for never slowing down. It stands for giving it all you've got when the world thinks you've got nothing left to give, and delivering products like the 23 Challenger SRT Demon 170. That is the quickest, fastest, most powerful mass-produced vehicle in the world.